Nice shot.
Thought you were going to shoot.
I was giving him a chance. I thought you were going to shoot too, Jeff. Sorry. Oh,
Dead bird, dead bird.
Fetch it up. Here. Here.
Heidi's got it, I think.
No, that's not the fault, Jack.
Good girl, Heidi. Good girl. Jackson. Okay, give.
Jackson, here.
Give. Okay.
Right in here. Whoa. Jackson, whoa. There goes, Brent.
got blinded in the sun.
Excuse number one. Fetch it up.
Oh, you see it? It's a chukar.
Okay. No,
Oh.
And I'm off today, boys.
I'll go towards the end.
Yep.
Huh. There it is. Brent! Here, Liesel.
No!
Liesel.
Hey.
Here, okay. Give. Good girl, Liesel.
Heidi's got it.
Yeah.
Hey, Jeff! Yeah!
Bird.
Ah, man, they're sitting tight.
He's moving again. Rooster! Nice shot, Brian! Rooster, Brian! Mace, come on.
It just went around the curve. They're getting really close to it. Whoa. They're going to keep it. Yeah.
No bird. Macy, come. That's a girl. Come on. Come here. Hey, come here. Look. Come here.
Show it up first.
That's a girl. Good girl.
I see it. The white hen.
No bird. Come. There it is. Dead bird.
Sorry, Brian. I was looking over your side. I wasn't sure.
Come on.
Those dogs are going to try and take
I know. They're not gonna. Hey, come here. They're not gonna take it. Okay. Give. Good girl. Nice tan rooster.
What's that? I'm sorry, in the walkway.
Come on, Mace.
Running ahead.
All right, here. I'm gonna flush Jackson. It's a rooster. The head's still tucked. There you go, Brent. Dead bird. Mace, come. Come on. Oh, there goes a hen. Macy, come. Jackson.